Welcome back. Today I am going to share with you my Grand Western Steaks box. I am so excited for this box. You have no idea. These steaks are gonna be amazing and I can't wait to cook them for you. So give me 1 second, let's open it up. They send you a packing list so you know what you've got. It comes as a nice cooler. And these coolers are cool because you can save them for other times. Let's say if you're going to see a friend and you want to carry something over, you can pack it in the cooler. It has dry ice, so you've got to be really careful with not touching that with your fingers. All your meats come packed in these nice little boxes. And this one, so this one is a beef steak ribeye, 1/2 inch Wagyu from Japan. So look at that. Look how beautiful this is. This is gonna taste amazing. And then they even include the certificate of authenticity, showing, you know, where it was from and the classification and everything. So that's kind of nice. I like that. I like to keep my steaks in the box it came in so that I can see exactly what it is, and I put the label facing out so I know. The next steak I got is the beef short rib Wagyu. So, ooh, this one sounds delicious. Short rib is packed like this, vacuum sealed, so it can stay a very nice time in your freezer. And the last one I got from them is the beef steak coulette with the fat on, also Wagyu. I don't know if it's coulette or côtelette, or I'm probably saying it wrong. But anyway, it's Australian Wagyu. Ooh, look at these. And I got 6 of them. So they're gonna be delicious. I absolutely love that they're packaged individually. So if you're making dinner for 2, you just take out the 2 you need. And it's absolutely perfect. You know, Grand Western delivers the freshest, the most tender, flavorful meats, and it's all from a state-of-the-art facility that exceeds the government's requirements for food safety. Grand Western is perfectly positioned to provide you with a complete program of the highest quality meat. They will deliver it directly to your door. So that's amazing because you don't have to go hunting and shopping for it. I really love that. And quality has been their passion since 1968. I think 1968 was a good year. It was for me. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you follow along and like and subscribe so you can see when I decide to cook all this up, and we'll see you later. The correct pronunciation of the steak is Wagyu. And if you'd like $20 off your next box, go down in the description below and the links are there. Thank you. Bye.